Okay, I'm doing camera recording for sewer line from 20 Light Meridian Santa Monica. The camera head is in the city line right now, like 13 to 14 feet deeper. We have slowly pull back the camera for check the big 6-inch pipe in the line. Slowly. It is 6-inch clay pipe. Okay, hold here. This is the plastic by clay connection, 6x4 connection. From the property line, I have like 8.5 feet deeper. Pull back. We use the clean out from the driveway. It's clean out I installed today. Clean the camera head, please. Okay. Around.